Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw and apply tax payments with EFTPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw and apply tax payments using EFTPS, first, you need to access the EFTPS. Open your web browser and navigate to www.eftps.gov. If you are a new user, click on the Enroll button to set up your account. Fill out the required personal information to create your account. You will need your social security number, bank information, and your email address. After completing the enrollment process, check your email for a confirmation from EFTPS. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the EFTPS website. Log in using your user ID and password. After logging in, select Payments from the main menu. Choose the type of payment you wish to make from the options provided. Enter the amount you want to pay and select the tax period for the payment. Double-check all the information you entered for accuracy. You will also need to select the bank account from which the payment will be withdrawn. After verifying your payment details, proceed to submit the payment. EFTPS will provide a confirmation number once your payment is processed. Save this confirmation for your records. If you need to apply the payment to a specific tax return, navigate to the Apply Payments section. Input the details of the tax return you are applying the payment to. Review the information before finalizing the application. Submit your application. You will receive a confirmation once your payment has been applied successfully. Keep a record of both the withdrawal confirmation and the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.